video talking about how you can glow up on a budget as a student or someone that is on a very tight corner. Okay, you don't want to spend much but you want to glow up, body care edition. And most of you came to the comment section to ask me, Amarachi, Favy, what can we use on our face since this is just for the body alone? And I listened. Therefore, this is a skincare routine for those who are on a tight budget or students. Okay, student friendly and also budget friendly. Hi my loves, welcome back to another video, or welcome to my channel. If today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, my name is Amarachi Favy, and over here we'll talk about all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. We talk everything that a girl has to talk about. Okay, and in this very video I'm going to be sharing with you the most affordable skincare routine for students or someone that is on a budget. This particular routine is tailored for people that are on a budget but still want to glow. You know, I'm always on the side of there is no how you will not glow in this economy. Okay, we're gonna tailor it down to your own pocket. So if this kind of video is kind of video that you have been looking for on the internet, please do not forget to subscribe, because subscribing to this channel is absolutely free. And remember to also turn the notification bell so that you always get notified and be on the glow team already. So the first thing you're going to be needing in your routine if you want to glow up this year will have to be a cleanser. I would advise that you ditch your bar soaps and get a cleanser. Cleansers are non-negotiables when it comes to cleansing your face. The way a cleanser will cleanse your face is not the way a bar soap will wash your face. Okay, because most of us have sensitive skin, and bar soaps will not strip your skin of essential oil, making sure that your skin will be very dry, flaky and ashy, and that is not what we are looking for. We want a glowy and a soft looking skin. So for you to achieve that, you're going to be needing a good cleanser, and I'll be recommending the particular cleanser from the Beauty Formula. Okay, this is the Beauty Formula Vitamin C Daily Facial Wash. Okay, the particular one contains vitamin C. I'll be recommending this for those who are not acne prone. Okay, there is no how you're watching my videos in 2026 and you don't know your skin type, you don't know if you're acne prone or sensitive skin or combination skin. So I would advise that the first thing for you to do is for you to know your skin type. So let's say that you are not acne prone and you are not sensitive, then I will recommend this for you. But if you're acne prone or you're a sensitive skin or you're a combination skin, I'll be recommending the simple refreshing facial wash. Okay, this particular one is very kind to the skin. Now let's go into the ingredients that each of these cleansers contain that will make sure that your skin is very clean, because they are actually very good products. The one from the Beauty Formulas, which contains vitamin C, is an antioxidant that will help to brighten up your skin. So once you're already using the particular face wash or cleanser, just know that you're already on your way to having a brighter looking skin, because it contains an antioxidant called vitamin C that will brighten up your skin. And it is for everyday use. It is very kind to the skin and super hydrating, and it also helps to clean every germs or dirt or oil or bacteria on your skin. Then if you are acne prone, sensitive, combination skin, then I'm recommending this, like I said earlier, which this one has no color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. It contains vitamin B5 and also vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that would help to hydrate and moisturize your skin so that your skin will be very hydrated. Okay, it is kind to the skin as well. So these are the two cleansers that I'll be recommending in this routine. So after the cleansers, because you're on a budget, the next thing you need is a face cream, not a moisturizer, a face cream. Okay, face cream would help to give you all those benefits that some of your serums will give to you. Face creams contains those ingredients that are already infused into serums. Some of them contain good ingredients that will quicken your skin brightening and also help to moisturize your skin. And for that, I'll be recommending this particular one from Achun Beauty. This is Achun Beauty Collagen face cream. Okay, it is anti-acne, it is brightening, it is whitening, and also anti-aging, because obviously it contains collagen. It is made with snail essence, meaning that your skin is going to be looking like that Korean glass skin when you use it. Okay, so if you're acne prone, sensitive combination, this is the one that I will recommend for you. But if you're not acne prone, okay, you're not a sensitive skin, you just have a normal dry skin, then I will recommend this particular one from the Advanced Korea. This is the Advanced Korean Skin Active Fair Cream. Okay, one thing I like about it is that it contains good amount of ingredient. Like I said, the ingredient that will make your serums to work faster is what a face cream has. Okay, it contains tranexamic acid, it contains glutathione, meaning that you're going to be having a brighter skin. It also contains niacinamide, which means you're not going to produce excessive oil. It contains proline and also urea. It contains good ingredients that will be very, very suitable for someone that does not have an acne prone skin. Remember, if you're acne prone, you go for this, and if you're not acne prone, you go for this. After your face creams, you're going to be needing a sunscreen because you need to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. And for that, I'm going to be recommending this one. This has been my favorite. You guys have seen me use the particular one from Bio UV. This is Bio UV SPF 50 plus raised to power 4. It will cover your skin, to give your skin that coverage. But if you're on a budget, I would advise you go for this. This is for all skin types. But if you have a little bit of money to splurge further, okay, because some students actually have money, we know now. So I would recommend that you go for this particular one. Skin Aqua. This is Skin Aqua, the small one. Get the small one. If you cannot afford the big bottle, you get the small one. This is the small bottle of Skin Aqua. This particular one also contains SPF of 50, okay, and also 4 plus. That's plus into 4. Okay, it will give you that coverage that you need from the sun. It will make you not to have sunburn, discoloration, uneven skin tone. It also makes your skin to be extra moisturized, okay, not just from the face cream. So your routine will go this way. In the morning, you will use your cleansers. Okay, in the morning, you will go ahead to use your cleansers. I've already stated the skin type that should use a particular cleanser. After your cleansers in the morning, you apply your face creams. Okay, I also stated in this video the skin types that deserves each of the face creams. Then the last thing you're going to apply will have to be your sunscreens. Okay, you put on your sunscreen generously on your skin. Then at night, you are only going to be needing your cleansers and your face cream. One thing I like about this routine is not just that it is affordable, it is simple. It goes straight to the point. You don't need to do too much. If you're working class, I would just advise you stick to this. Okay, so these are my most affordable brightening combo for your skincare routine this 2026. If you're on a budget, on a tight budget, I'm going to actually do another video for those that are on the Odogo I am side. If you have more money to splurge on your skin, I am going to make a detailed video for the products that you deserve. So please stay glued to the channel. Okay, if you have watched a particular point of the video and you learned a lot, do not forget to subscribe and also like this video, share this video, turn the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. And remember to leave a comment in the comment section telling me if you are ready to glow up or not. And remember to shop all your skincare products from Skintress store. The phone number on how you're going to place your order would be in the description box down. Okay, and until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.